Right then, Silverpunks, here we go. Little unboxing video, aka 365 Days of Silver style. Just bear with me, not used to doing this. There we go. First of all, there's my drink. It's not a whiskey. It's Pepsi Cherry Coke, and it's very cherry. There it is. That's what I'm drinking tonight. That's my drink. So, without further ado, we'll crack straight on and get the unboxing. I've had this come through the post. Rest the Silverpunk, you're getting that. So, let's see what we've got. Right, I just had to pause the video there when I went and got the knife. We're going proper 365 style, obviously, so got to have a knife to open stuff like he does and others. So here we go, let's see. I don't know, feels like the thing's down there, so I haven't got the confidence or skill. Well, let's have a go. Call that a knife?
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Oh, I'm making a pig's ear of this. Right, I have got a little inkling what this is, of course. Oh, look at that bad boy. You having that? 365, Merry Christmas. You getting that bad boy? Look at that poker chip. Let's have a look at that. So kind of him, a great little thing. Oh, look, you got a little sticker as well. Merry Christmas sticker. That's cool. Oh, really cool. Feel nice in the hand. Haven't been to the casino for a few years, but yeah, look at that bad boy. Thank you so much, 365. Little poker chip there to add to the little temporary backdrop. How cool's that looking? Nice little printout. Let's bang him up there. Look at that. You getting that? And something to scan in there. Put that. Look at that. Look at that. Just so cool. I want to thank 365. Great little idea to, you know, just a nice bit of community, sending some stuff out to the viewers. He's got a cool channel. I watch it quite a bit, as you can probably see. So this is just like a little parody of him doing an unboxing. But obviously he does it a lot better. But at least this is staying on dry land. It's going nowhere near a river, 365. So there you have it, guys. I just want to thank him again. I hope all you guys have a cool Christmas, and we'll see you soon. So, look at that bad boy. You having that? Cheers.